Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Riya Gitanjali at Barrackpore on Barrackpore Barashat highway, just 1.6 km from Wireless More Barrackpore, and you can see this is absolutely ready to move in condition. And this project is having 7 towers with having 590 flats, and you can see the project is having broad pathways. And not only that, this project is having every facilities and amenities like swimming pool, gym, community hall, puja mandap. Not only that, this project is having a lake just adjacent to the project periphery. You can see this lake from here. So this is the lake just adjacent to the project, and it's a clear and beautiful view of the lake. And the lake is situated on the south side of this project, and you can see this is the actual site. This is the children's playing area, and these are the building elevations, beautiful building elevations. Now come this side, these are the sitting areas. So we are going towards block number 7. This is block number 6. Beautiful plantation, green complex. Now come this side. So this side, the total area is fronting towards the lake. The boundary have been given for safety and security purpose. And now you can see this is the children's playing area of the project, and this is tower number 7. And now come this side. So we are moving towards the other blocks. So come and see. This is the pathway, and these are some building blocks which is joint from building to building. Excellent finishing of the project. And here you can see this is the pathways, broad pathways, and in front of you you can see, in the distance you can clearly see the diesel generator for 24/7 power backup. And on the ground floor, these are the parking areas, covered parking areas. So hopefully you like this video. We are going towards the flat, and I will show you the flat on the next episode. So please subscribe this channel for updates. So thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully you like this, and also note that we are having very limited number of units left currently because it's ready to move in condition. So hurry guys. If anybody is interested, then please call as early as possible because flats are limited. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe our channel for further updates.